Especially dito sa Cebu. This is my second time mag-perform dito sa Cebu, and I'm so glad that I'm here today because of Ayala. Of course, first time na mag-open ulit kasi kay mag-pagkama silang renovation, and I'm so glad that I'm here today to witness it. It's so beautiful. And of course, I'm standing in front of beautiful people. And right in front of you is a beautiful person. Maraming salamat kasi parang thank you so much for coming here and spending time with me. And I'm Sisu, Panyang X-Stance, 18. Salamat kayo sa tangan. Higit na kayo. Higit na kayo kayo tangan. Ito. Kaya na akong dila ko. But, kapala mo, dili kayo na akong ganahan na ginamadugay akong performance. So, it's just not a way to listen. I think kabalo mo lang yung kanta. Sabayan ko ninyo, ano eh? Pagalan mo sa lyrics, ano eh? Gusto na ako kantahan ninyo ba yung acapella? So don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not.
I don't trust nobody and put up these walls. Niggas wanna use me until I dry up.
Fake faces come. Let's do it! Don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody and put up these walls. Niggas wanna use me until I'm drying up.
Fake faces
Nothing's gonna save me. Turns out I'm finally going crazy. I'm on the run. There's no use and escape. Can't get it all without you die twice again. What they want from me is one side and I. It's the only getting back. So break it. I don't trust nobody. I put up these walls. Fake faces come and go. I don't know where I should go. Should go. 'Cause I got no place to go. Fake faces come and go. They can say they let you down. I got something better than I wanna look because it's cold, so we keep me up. Down away from all the hurt. Disappear without a trace. They gon' miss me when I'm gone. I keep moving on. Say what?
they want from me.
Got it!
One side and love.
No!
It's all they getting back.
What's up? What's up?
It's not 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody and put up these walls.
They just wanna use me until I'm dried up.
Fake faces come and go.
And I don't know where I should go. Should go. 'Cause I got a place to go.
Fake faces come and go.
For the same conversation, I just able to sketch my faces. You want you just because you know it. And you know this one! I'm so sick of this place, smiling faces. People want you just because. So I'm trying to get out. See ya!
Nothing's wrong 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody and put up these walls.
This is what it's been till I'm trying to.
Fake faces
Oh my God. And I I'm done. Nowhere I should go. 'Cause I need a place to go. Fake faces come and go. Thank you. Again, even is all you know. You make me believe everything's going to be okay. For years I've been waiting, have faith in you saving my love for you, my love for you. You make me believe it. Tell me nothing for you. My love for you. My love for you. You make me believe it. Tell me nothing for you. Cause I want to get an open door. seen out the lights. But don't know you rely on me, so like a killing yourself. I came out of waters to flowing. Natural disasters left me broken. I try not to fix the pieces on my heart, but you keep tearing it apart, and I keep blaming you. In the end, I guess I am a fool. I'm not to believe it. Believe everything's going to be okay. That this is never worth waiting. It wasn't worth saving my life for you. You make me believe it. Still need nothing for you now. My life for you. My life for you. Make me believe it. Still nothing for you. Enjoy, let's go. Hey guys, can you dance? Okay. Tapos tapos na ako ang music agad. Gusto daw may istorya kan. Kalagsara ako na dire. Gusto ko tamo kumustahan. Kumusta man tanan? Okay mo? Hindi, nagkaon mo. Na ako nakita ko rin na mga taga-Manila po naman. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. And of course, sa mga taga-Cebu na CCO, taga-Cebu na Stars, taga-Cebu na HC. Salamat kayo. And mga nihunong ko, kay Disabya kayong egg. Tapos kayo, so kinangalan ng mic stand. Okay na? Okay na sa'yo? Hindi na ako na mag-lihok-lihok. Kanya, mainom sa buong tubig, kadyan lang sa kadyan lang. Ay ba, napagaw ako? Big faces na iba, nakapagaw. Kanya, ready na mo? Ay, mag-hila ka. I refuse to die, 'cause I know in time all my efforts won't lie. Everything will be right. All my rules of my life. Always dream high. Moonlight got me in the dark, the blue sky. Call me like the blue sky. The words not enough, don't die. It ain't sharp enough to claim life. Nobody can take my life. I pray that you won't leave my side. No words could explain how much I hate no more. Everything I only take no more. I'll pay no blame and suffocate no more. But that begin to view will break no more. Cause I know in time everything will be right. And I want to find life. No Oh, no, no, no. Chosen, we are the future. Tomorrow there are struggles and comes. We are the hope. Even if storm can't keep us down, floods won't make us drown. No, oh, no, oh. Everything will be fine. I'm on fire. Always dream everything will be fine. I'm on fire. So, unfortunately, normally akong pinakalas na kanta ko. Dali na kayong oras na? Saan na ito? Ano ba? Hindi pa ako dali na siya oras. After na mga hindi na ka. Pero siyempre, magkita-kita na puhon. Kaya namin doon na may concert, soft concert sa Philippine Arena. There's a 2 days concert. So kung maka-adto mo, adto lang mo. Sige na gumawa na pretty sure na daghan ko sa inyo maka-adto dyan. Mula ka sa Philippine Arena concert namin. SAW, Simula Brookhouse concert. So, I'm really excited. Sa May 31 na siya, sa June 1. And of course, i-release na po ang among EP, pinaka-latest EP, i-release na siya. So, nagkakaroon kaming surprises sa music, in terms of music sa inyo ha. So, I'm really excited na ma-release ang among EP, ang among mga kanta. Ang dalawa na maganahan ako ng EP kasi ako, personally, I think this is the best EP na the Heroes has been into. So I'm really proud. And yeah. And of course, I just want to thank Ayala Center Cebu for having me here tonight. Especially mo pa'y pagbuhat sa, mo pa'y pagka-renovate sa ilang sa mall. That's why I'm so honored na makapag-perform dito karon. It's such a beautiful place. And of course, makita kami pa na. But yeah, this is gonna be my last song. Kabalo mo, kabisaya na siya. Let's go, let's go.
Kulang pa ba sa iba? Tungkol sa kumakao Kinusa ko na magawa Kita mo sa luha ko Di ko po natunin Sa tunay Di na nagugaya Ang tanay Ang ko Kawalan benda Dunia mo isulti Ang panginawa Di mo ba Gumulang ang malayo sa imuha At nagunaan Inabugaya Nabuhin agad Inigalan ka naman Lugar ka ayaw ko Ipulat kami na sa mo is the ready Lalo ka sa nalililig gusto Mukha mo tanong ka Kung sa problema puso ka Masuko ka Kamusturya Tas ang sala Ako ang palihog lang ko Ayaw sa imong pagkasan Kadi masaktan Ganyan na lang Ako tanan Ang gumagana Sa imuha Dili mo lang ka naman
Say what? Say louder.
Kalago din masuko Wako pa nalito Ako na lamang ang talito Di mga guwantagin ang kaliso Sa papamunta ko na mag-ito lang Pagod ko magatulog sa imong mga baka Mo pa imong gusto sa akong ulang tata Di buo kong tulong ang pahit nga kagahapon Bisang pag gusto kang mga wala Ang balat ko Ang balat ko
Again, thank you so much, 18. CC's Excellence. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Cebu. Ayala Sarah Cebu. Thank you so much.
memories and all of the awesome stories. And don't forget to post it and tag us on your story, Ayala Center Cebu. Our official hashtag for today is hashtag Ayala Center Cebu. So let's make sure to share all of those moments and all of these memories. And by the way, for certain groups of people, wala pa dito na human, no? Who here are our meet and greet passers? So, as an announcement, here's something very special for you. Once again, before we do start our official meet and greet, while waiting for Philip to come back on stage, the entry pass and your wristband, please have your wristband and your entry pass at all times. You're going to be needing this. It's going to be a group photo only from 10 members each. So magsugod ka sa ato mga batches from 1 to 10, all the way down to all of our 100 meet and greeters. And the photos will be posted online. So that means, yes, we have our official photographer. Yes, you will have to leave your bag and to leave your phone at the designated area. But don't worry, because it will be uploaded to our official hashtag and our official Facebook page for Ayala Center Cebu and all of the social media pages that we have. So with that, no personal photos as much as possible. Kaya wala naman sa tayo mga cellphone ni Reyno. And of course, just enjoy the ride. So before we all go, once again, give a big round of applause naman! Thank you so much, everybody. So with that, sa ato mga ka-meet and greeters, I would like to call on meet and greet number 1 to 10. Please kindly line up at the left side of the stage. Only for our groups 1 to 10. So please take a look at your registration, your wristband. Please have everything all ready. Number 1 to number 10, please line up to our left side of the stage for our official meet and greet. Please be on standby. Numbers 11 to 20. Don't worry, you will all have your time to shine. It's going to be fun as we wait for our rock star to come up. And of course, once again, please take note of all the rules and take care sa mga mato at pilang mo ayaw galinti. Oh, hashtag sa mga official hashtag Philip Ayala Center Cebu and tag us on our official social media pages. This was from the live in Ayala Center Cebu. Thank you so much. Salamat kayo na maraming salamat po and have a great time. Line on our left side of the stage. Entry pass 1 to 8. 1 to 8. So please check your entry passes. If you are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. So as much as possible, we will be giving you your intimate experience together with Philip. So make sure you're here. Number 1 to 8, please line up at the left side of the stage. make sure, please, that you will be having your physical meet and greet entry as well as all of your list tags. It needs to be a physical entry. Once again, please welcome our original Pistock Bebop Rockstar once again, we would like to call on our meet and greet passers from 1 to 8. Make sure you have your physical copy and please make sure to have all of your files. Once up on stage. Calling our meet and greet passer number 1. Number 1, your time to shine. All the way to go on stage. Meet and greet passer number 1. Please be on standby number 9 to 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Please prepare your physical pass. Please prepare your physical pass. Alright, once again, line up everyone. Kindly please line up. All of our meet and greeters, it's time for you to line up. For those who have physical copies, kindly please line up. Please remember to give your physical meet and greet tickets. Hala, naagin mabiyaan. Ani, hindi kita kailangan na mabiyaan na because ala sa stage na lihok na Olivia. But if you know Olivia sa ato mga meet and greeters, it's your time to shine and meet and greet with none other than Next 8. For our meet and greeters, please make sure to have your entry pass with you at all times. official meet and greet cast. Meet and greeters, kindly please showcase your official cast and line up at the left side of the stage. We will be collecting your physical entry pass. All you have to do is please prepare your pass by the left side of the stage. Everyone, kindly please showcase your physical entry pass and line up on the left side of the stage for me to have your official meet and greet with the one and only Philip. Once again, kindly please have an organized line for those who have our meet and greet passes. Don't forget to showcase and to give your physical meet and greet passes. Thank you very much. Meet and greeters, kindly please line up on the left side of the stage and showcase your meet and greet pass, your official physical meet and greet pass. Thank you very much and enjoy. Once again, we would like to request all of our meet and greet passers to kindly please be here at the left side of the stage and give your physical copy of your meet and greet pass. Thank you very much. kindly please line over here at the left side of the stage. Maraming salamat. Once again, last call to our meet and greeters who still have not got our meet and greet with Philip. Kindly please line on our left side of the stage. Last call for our meet and greeters before we end today's show. Kindly please line up on the left side of the stage. Thank you very much. Calling on our invited friends from the media. Once again, last call for our meet and greeters and our media. Our invited media, please come by our left side of the stage for your meet and greet with Philip. Last call for our invited media friends. Kindly please come to the left side of the stage for your meet and greets with a one and only.
Laging may dulo, pagkamalas at kawatan. Dito langit tumakbo, dito lang ako. Kasalanan mo naman ito, nahumpay sa paggusto.
Once again to all of our participants and of course to our friends from the media and for our meet and greeters and of course we'd like to call on the team of Ayala Center Cebu. Thank you so much, everybody. And there you have it. Once again, give it up for the one, the only, the rockstar of the generation. Thank you so much for being so Have a great one. Thank you so much, Cebu, for being awesome. Once again, we all give it up for Philip. And there we have it, everybody. Once again, please don't forget to post on all of your social medias with our